Okay, fine. So I'll just give the brief introduction. I'll just do the brief about the last class and a few topics of today's class, because today's you are only the person. That's why I'm not starting the complete new thing. Okay, so now I'm sharing. Okay, now I am sharing the screen. Okay, so as you can visible on the screen that we were talking about the substitution ciphers like Caesar cipher, Playfair cipher, and Hill cipher, and these are the substitution cipher. And why we say substitution cipher? Because we substitute the letters. Okay, I'm sharing the digital board first. Okay, wait for 2 minutes. Hello. Hello. Okay, so now we'll continue. Hello. Hello. Digital board is visible. Okay, fine. I am considering that it is visible to you. हेलो, हाँ, गुड आफ्टरनून। अभी मेरी क्लास चल, नुमान बोल रहे हो? मेरी अभी लेक्चर चल रहा है, आप मेल पर रिप्लाई कर दो मेरे को जो मैंने मेल किया। Okay, so there is some interruption. Okay, so we were talking about the transposition, or I think substitution techniques. Okay, so when we talk about substitution, means we simply replace the letters, plain text like A, B, C, D, anything, or we can consider a kind of the plain text, say hello. Okay, so we may replace this each letter from the different letters, say H will be replaced with A, E will be replaced with X, and so on. So this replacement, if when it is logical, then we call it a cipher technique. So very first that we have discussed, that is Caesar cipher, and here the cipher text will be generated with the help of plain text plus 3. Means if we are having H, and even though before starting this we can do one thing, that A, B, letter C, so we may give the number also to these letters, 0, 1, 2, dot 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 up to Z. So this is up to 25. Now each letter is having particular number. So if H, so you may check that H will be replaced with which letter, E will be replaced with which letter, similarly L and the other letter. So it is called the substitution technique. So in the last lecture we have discussed about the Caesar cipher, then we have also discussed about the Playfair cipher. Basically it is related to 5x5 matrix, and we have discussed this thing in detail even. Okay. Okay. Okay, now back to the slide, that the next is the Hill cipher, and here is one thing is written, that is polyalphabetic cipher. So what we can say, that for polyalphabetic cipher is nothing but, okay, so I can talk about the first single letter cipher. So what it means, each letter, say hello, so each letter will be replaced with some other letters with logic. Say in Caesar cipher case, if H plus 3, so you may even tell about that which letter will be replaced to H. So similarly, which letter will be replaced to E and L and L and O. So this is the single letter cipher. Similarly, the multi-letter ciphers like uh, Playfair cipher. So in Playfair, what we do, we use the letters more than one simultaneously. Say two letters. Like if message is hello, so what we have to do, we will make the pair. So first pair is HE, and HE will be converted in some kind of the cipher text, definitely in two letters. Similarly, second pair will be, let's say, L, and there will be logic in Playfair. If two letters are the same, then we may insert a letter, say X in between, and then we may convert this plain text into ciphertext, and after that again this L and O. So in this case, uh, we may say that this is the multi-letter cipher case, and when we talk about the polyalphabetic, so in polyalphabetic letter case, we may use more than two or three letters, but in the sense, like if the letters are repeated here in this polyalphabetic case, then each letter will be replaced with different letter. So this L may be replaced with sometimes say M, and this L may be replaced with A. So this is the thing related to polyalphabetic cipher. Okay, so in Playfair that we have discussed, so these are the rules. Even we have discussed a lot about these things, but today we can discuss about the Hill cipher. This is polyalphabetic case. Just wait for 2 minutes.